Hey everyone! Today, I am going to tell you how to make money online as a gamer. Stick around to the end because I will show you the top 5 ways to get paid for playing games. So let us get started. Before starting, let me show you some proof of success that people have achieved, so you will know that it works. If you are good at gaming or if you have an entertaining personality, you can make money by live streaming yourself playing. You might be wondering, why would anyone want to watch me play? And why would anyone want to play with me? There are several reasons people like to watch other people play video games: to pick up tips from someone who is a more advanced player, to witness exceptional gameplay, also to listen to someone who offers entertaining narration as they play, or to connect with others in the gaming community who are watching. Now, the fact that people like to watch others play video games creates several ways to earn money from broadcasting gaming livestream. Viewers can make donations to express appreciation for good or entertaining play. Viewers can sign up for paid subscriptions. Moreover, attendees to special live stream events can pay for tickets. Gaming brands can sponsor players who attract attention to their games. Further, advertisers can pay players who have large followings. Affiliate marketing partners can pay commissions for promoting their products. In addition, popular gamers can make and sell their merchandise. You can also make money by becoming a video game developer. Now, if you have the passion and talent to create your games, another way to make money playing games is to become a game developer. Well, nothing can be more exciting than converting your passion into your work. Game developers take game concepts and translate them into programming code that can be used to play games. They also serve as game testers. Some developers also contribute to the creative development of game concepts before or during the programming phase. Game developers need to know relevant programming languages such as C++, C#, JavaScript, Java, and Python. A degree in software engineering or computer science will help and be necessary for some jobs, though this is less critical than actual programming know-how. You will also find it helpful to be familiar with math, physics, 3D graphics, and animation. After that, to gain experience as a developer, you can practice developing games on your own. Start with simple games, and as your skills improve, try more complex projects. Now, this will help you build a portfolio you can use to demonstrate your skills to employers. Also, you can find postings for game developers on LinkedIn, on job boards, and websites of game companies and gaming industry sites. To land your first job as a game developer, you can find it easier to start with an independent company or a smaller company, which is more likely to hire freelancers. Competitive gaming offers several ways to make money playing games. Now, if you are a skilled player, you can enter and compete for cash prizes in esports competitions, which are held in physical arenas or online video game tournaments. Also, if you are a good event organizer and marketer, you can host a gaming tournament, recruit sponsors, and charge entry fees to participants and promotional fees to advertisers. And if you are good at marketing and sales, you can use a tournament to sell products for yourself, a sponsoring brand, or an affiliate marketing partner. If you are an investor, you can invest in gaming tournaments. Moreover, there are so many tournaments available for games like Dota 2, Call of Duty, Fortnite, and more. If you are considering getting involved in gaming tournaments for money, you will want to gain some experience with them first. Sites like Gamer Saloon can give you an introduction to the world of online gaming tournaments. And if you want to visit a live tournament, you can find local tournaments through sites such as Battlefy, or you can visit major tournaments such as the International. You can learn much more about gaming tournaments from resources such as the University of Esports. Playtesters provide video game companies with feedback on how easy and enjoyable a game is to play. This helps game developers identify glitches that detract from users' experience and make improvements to enhance gameplay. Playtesters play games under the guidance of developers, instructions so that developers can observe them and gather information about the following. First, whether players understand game instructions, whether the game controls and features work as intended, what players learn easily, where players get stuck, what players spend their time doing, how players evaluate their overall experience, what players like, and which aspects of game players want to see improved, which features and benefits are most appealing, whether the game is commercially viable in its present form. Playtesters can be volunteers, freelancers, or regular employees. To get into game testing, you will need to combine a passion for playing with a good work ethic, which includes the ability to follow directions, meet deadlines, and communicate feedback. You can find playtester jobs through want ads, or you can take the initiative to approach video game companies yourself to see if they need playtesters. You will want to develop a cover letter and resume that sum up your background in gaming and your experience as a gamer, especially any previous playtesting experience. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.